Hello everyone, I welcome you all in class 8 chemistry class. I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to teach you about the physical properties of metals and non-metals as well as compound and the characteristic of the compound. In my previous video I told you about the metal, non-metal and metalloids. So related to that topic, today I will start with the physical properties of metals and non-metals. So first I will write here metal and another side I will write non-metal. Now if we will talk about the physical properties of metal, all the metals are soft. All the metals are soft except sodium. Okay, sorry, all the metals are hard. I have written soft over here. Sorry, it is all the metals are hard except sodium. And in opposite to that of metals, all the non-metals are soft. And here diamond, as you all know, it is the hardest substance. Now the second property, all the metals are solid at the room temperature except mercury. And if we will discuss about the non-metals, they may be solid, liquid and gas at room temperature. Now the next topic is all the metals are lustrous. Lustrous means shiny, ये सारे चमकदार होते हैं. And if we will discuss about the non-metals, so all the non-metals are non-lustrous. Except graphite. Now, most important properties of metals, the metals are ductile. What is the meaning of ductile? Ductile का मतलब होता है मेटल को स्ट्रेच करके हम वायर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. बट ऑल द नॉन मेटल्स आर नॉन डक्टाइल. यहाँ पर भी एक एक्सेप्शन कार्बन फाइबर. Now all the metals are malleable. What is the meaning of malleable? Malleable का meaning होता है they can be beat. इनको पीट के हम इनकी शीट बना सकते हैं पतली. And all the non metals are non malleable. Then after, all the metals are sonorous. Sonorous meaning when they are struck with any hard substance, they produce a deep ringing sound. जब इनको किसी चीज़ से टकराते हैं तो ये एक deep ringing sound produce करती हैं. But non-metals are non-sonorous. So this is all about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. And now let's start another next topic, that is the compound. So when we will discuss about the compounds, so how these compounds are formed. So compounds are formed when two or more elements are combined together chemically in fixed proportion. That means दो या दो से अधिक elements आपस में combine करते हैं chemically in fixed proportion. That means यहाँ proportion का होना fixed must है. It is formed when two or more element combined. That means these are also the pure form of substances. Chemically in fixed proportion. That means this is the important term, the fixed proportion. The proportion must be fixed. Now let's see the characteristic of these. That means कि जब कंपाउंड बन रहे हैं तो उन कंपाउंड में क्या क्या इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती हैं. सो फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, द इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज दैट दे आर रिप्रेजेंट बाय केमिकल फॉर्मूला. One more important characteristic of a compound, they are having fixed composition. It is written over here fixed proportion. That means fixed composition. That means अगर composition fixed है, कैसे fixed है इसका एग्जाम्पल आप ले सकते हैं. Suppose you have taken water. Okay, तो आप water चाहे आप टैप वाटर ले रहे हैं, चाहे either you are using tap water, RO water, pond water या any source of water, but the composition is two atoms of hydrogen and one of oxygen. Okay, suppose here the hydrogen is 2 but oxygen is also 2. That means it forms another compound. It is the hydrogen peroxide. It is not water. That means the proportion, the composition is fixed. Now in chemical composition, chemically new substances are created. Chemically new substances are created by two or more elements. And one most important characteristic, the compound cannot be broken down by any physical method. इसको किसी भी physical method से आप break नहीं कर सकते हैं जब तक कि आप इसके ऊपर कोई भी chemical method apply ना करें. So this is all about the today's topic. Rest of the topic we will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.